All right. Good morning, people. So I'm in in Dr. Patrick office. This is Dr. Patrick assistant. Ça c'est Dr. Patrick assistant yo. Ça c'est bureau Dr. Patrick, OK? Ça c'est bureau Dr. Patrick là. Dr. Patrick fait comme paye Dr. Patrick pour le faire comme Dr. Patrick botch moi. Dr. Patrick botch my ass, so he doesn't want to do anything about it. So pour mon kap vini there yo, everybody that's coming next, this is what you're gonna deal with. This is what you're gonna deal with. Li fin m'paye le kop pour m'paye Dr. Patrick kop pour l'opérer, mais ça le fait. OK? Mais ça le fait. Après ça, li fait m'gonne, li font assistant, li paye assistant pour l'opérer parce que Dr. Patrick gen trop moun kounya gele, li pas fait opération nan men moun, c'est moun li paye pour le faire opération yo. So please share live là pour moun kap vin là yo, puis yo ka connait ki sa yo ap di. Share the live. Share the fucking live. Share the motherfucking live. Because people need to see what they're fucking coming to deal here. That bullshit. I'm tired of it. I've been really like I've been calm talking to y'all like people, but y'all think I'm crazy, so now I'm gonna show you guys my crazy fucking side! Told you I'm fucking crazy. I don't want people to fucking do injustice to me. I need the police. I need the police, yeah.